will see orthographic projections. There are two band with the help of this quadrant system. Last time we have seen in which right hand side is yoga. Now in this case we are going to get left hand side. That too object is always kept in the first quadrant. Earlier it was in first quadrant. In this way also, in this case also it is in first quadrant. Okay. So this is nothing but first quadrant. Second quadrant is just behind this vertical plane and above this horizontal plane. This is nothing but second quadrant. Third will be here. Sorry, here below HP, behind BP, and in front of BP below HP is fourth quadrant. Third quadrant, fourth quadrant. This is first quadrant. Here it is. Second quadrant we have got here. Behind vertical plane, above HP. Second, behind BP below HP. Third, in front of BP below HP. Fourth. First is nothing but above HP and in front of BP. Okay, and as usual, this profile plane again we are going to show by the same color, that is pink one. In this case now, as observer is on your right hand in this case. Earlier observer was observing the figure from his left hand. Now in this case observer has to observe this figure from his right hand in the direction of right hand. Okay. This is vertical plane. This is horizontal plane. This one is profile. Okay. Now see, as observer has to observe this object in this direction. So naturally the direction of observer, whatever is visible here, this parameter for that of that three-dimensional object should be called as length of that object. So I will name it as n. Naturally, always it is shown vertical. What is available? Distance of that vertically available of that object. That parameter is called as height. Length, it is the direction of observer only. Length should be this is called as length. Naturally, on your left hand, this will be its width. So in this way, length, width and height has formed this three-dimensional object. That is nothing but the isometric view. It is also called as three-dimensional pictorial view. That we are going to convert into two-dimensional orthographic views. The question for this such kind of object or such kind of exercise will be figure shows three-dimensional pictorial view or figure shows pictorial view of an object. This is called as pictorial view. This is also called as three-dimensional view. This is also called as isometric. Okay. Complete its projections and draw its front view in the direction of x or observer. X. In the direction of x, draw its front view, its top view, and respective side. In this case, as your right hand is busy for construction of its front view, so naturally left hand is nothing but reserved hand for its construction of side. So left hand side here, right hand. So see, now we have focused on this object by a torch in this direction. So naturally this L by H shadow of this surface will be emerging over the vertical plane or over the plane of motion which is just behind this, which is here. This is called as vertical plane. So this plane, this view which is carrying length by height is nothing but its image. Top image we are going to get over the H piece. It is again carrying L by W. Last time we have seen. Top view carries, top view possesses length by width as its prime parameters. So this top surface itself is revealing its top image. As it is not, this object is not kept in the space. It is just kept over the plane of projection HB, we can't project it, we can't draw it here. Just now. That's why just you see this top surface itself is representing its top image, which is carrying length by W. Okay, that we see while tearing off this quadrant and converting or tilting all the three planes, so that in a single blackboard plane we are going to convert all the three two-dimensional views. Okay, that time we will see how it looks. Okay, so now we are going to construct its front image. Observing this direction L by H, just like earlier, project baseline, this top line. Okay, and from this point of intersection of this projector with this HRL, this is nothing but horizontal reference line, HRL. There is vertical reference line, itself it is X1 Y1, vertical reference line. It is formed with the intersection of VP with PP, HRL is formed with the intersection of VP with HP. Okay, so now this baseline, it has cut this XOY top line, just we have line extended on this point of intersection of this projector, just you have to project it up. That projector will intersect it will yield us the desired height of that object, corresponding height. Okay, so this length, this much distance is nothing but representing its height of the object. Now what I have to do, just what way I have constructed this parallel to right line, right 30 degree line. Just I have drawn one line projecting this way. Projection line, construction line we can say, construction line. And again from this right extreme left 30 line of this object, I have projected another one projector. It has cut this projector here. So this is nothing but shape and size of that front image which has been created here successfully over this vertical plane. So by default, this vertical plane is made for front image of A object. Okay, so in this way L by H are the prime parameters which has yielded us the desired front view image of this object. This is all about its front view image creation. Now what about top view? Just now I have discussed, I have told you, as this is kept on the object, it is not in the space, you can't show on this object, on this plane. I will show you here. This surface itself, top surface itself is this surface. Itself is nothing but its top view, that is carrying L by W as its prime parameters. Now we see about its left hand side image. This image, whatever I have drawn here, is nothing but left hand side. Right hand front image I have got here overview. So naturally, left hand is the reserved hand for construction of its side image. Now just turn around to 90 degrees, come over here with your torch, focus your torch on this. Okay, so naturally the surface carrying W by H as prime parameters will be emerging or will be showing its shadow which has been created just behind this object, that on this vertical plane, sorry, profile plane, and that shadow I have drawn here which is carrying W by H, this surface. How? In the same way I have projected this baseline first of all, it has intersected here, blind view projector I have drawn vertically up, then again I have extended this right 30 top line, it has intersected this vertically drawn, earlier drawn projector, so it has given us its desired height. After that what I have done? Blindly through this point, parallel to left 30 I have drawn one projector, and this top line, left extreme, right 30 line of this object I have extended, it has intersected, it has cut this projector or construction line here, and from here I have taken its vertical intercept. This shape and size is yielding us the desired left hand side image which has been created on profile. So vertical plane is made for front view, horizontal plane is made for top view, and profile plane is made for either left hand side view. In this case left hand side. In the earlier case we have seen, we have got right hand side view as the object was kept in the same in the first quadrant, but in that case observer was observing this object in the left side. In that case observer was observing the object from his left hand. Okay, that way. In that case right hand side view we have drawn, but in this case as observer is observing from your right hand, his right hand in this way. So left hand side view is the desired side image or profile view image that we have got in this case. So front image we have drawn here, top view, this surface itself is representing its top image, and left hand side view image we have drawn in here. Now just we are going to cut this quadrant and we are just tilting this profile plane from 90 degrees in this direction. Similarly, this horizontal plane from 90 degrees in downward direction. So just below this VP, there will be HP, and on the right hand of this VP, there will be PP. Just we are tilting this way and this way. So all the three planes, we are just bringing in a single blackboard plane. In what way? Just I will show you. First of all, draw its HI. Horizontal reference line HI. Similarly, vertical reference line BRN. X1 O Y1 is vertical reference line BRN. After that, the C. Vertical plane is here, just below that horizontal plane is here, and on the right side only where we will get profile. So this VP we should create here. So this vertical plane, and I show it here. Yes, and this is its profile. Okay, so this plane is nothing but vertical plane. This plane is horizontal plane. This plane is profile. So quadrant is like this. Vertical plane is as usual in this way. Horizontal plane is in this way, and profile plane is in this way. Profile plane we have treated in this way, and horizontal plane in this way. So all the three planes we have brought in a single blackboard plane in this way. Now all the three views I will just draw here and explain you how to construct or how to convert this 3D to 2D. Already we have got this 20 image of VB. So same parameters I am going to pick by compass here or by scale to transfer that plane here. Okay, height, this much height. By scale properly. Don't use freehand style. Just like me, you have to use all the geometrical instruments properly. Okay, so this surface brought into single plane, blackboard plane. So vertical plane is here. Here we have tilted profile plane in this way. So it is on right hand of this vertical plane. So naturally that we should draw here. So VP I have drawn here vertical plane. Just below that horizontal plane is here and profile plane is here. Means naturally earlier it was like this. Vertical plane, horizontal plane is here. We are tilting in this way. Profile plane in this way. Now just you have to pick and place those views. Whatever you have got here. 2Ds. This is orthographic projections. So naturally conversion of 3-dimensional object into 2-dimensional 3 number of views. So front view image is here. That we have got L by H are the prime parameters. Now just by compass only you have to complete that activity. Now, either by scale or by compass, pick this length and just get it here. So this is the length of the object, height. Pick this from here, transfer it here. Yes. So whatever this rectangle we have drawn here, it is nothing but its elevation or its front view image carrying length and height as its prime parameters. Okay, so this is nothing but its front view image. By default, one will get that image over vertical plane. That one should keep in mind. Now, next, top image that we will get on over horizontal plane that we are tilting downward direction. So just below this, just you see these projectors will be in line with this vertical line. So naturally you have to extend these lines in this over. So automatically length has been carried forward. So just you have to pick the width by compass and transfer anywhere on this line. Conveniently, any distance you can maintain here and transfer this width here. This much is the width. Or just create that line first of all, width, and complete the top image, which we will observe while observing from top this object in the same direction. Front view, top view. This top view you get it here, carrying length by width, length by width as its primary image. So this is nothing but top view image that we have got over HP, and ultimately its end view. It is nothing but profile view, that is side view. Which kind of side view we have got here? Left hand side view, as because right hand is busy, X is written here. This arrow, what it shows, observer has to observe this figure in order to construct its front image. So naturally right hand is busy for construction of its front view, left hand is left hand. So left hand side, that image we have got here on profile plane, which is on the right side of this front view. So left hand side image we are going to get on the right of the front view. Here only we will get its left hand side image on the right side of the front view. And on the contrary, in previous lecture we have seen right hand side view on the left of the front view. Here left hand side view, it should be drawn on right side of the front view. Now just what you have to do, project this height in this way on the right side. Okay. Similarly, width up to here, place the projectors, and by compass only tilt those horizontal projectors to 90 degrees from here up to HR in this way. From here up to HR. Now extend those projectors up. Over. So magically on its own, the side image is getting created. No need to use any kind of scale. Scale is not at all required. Only cross projectors will define or yield us the desired shape and size of the side image. That is profile view, which is nothing but exactly, specifically, it is called as left hand side view image that we have got over profile plane, carrying width and height as its prime parameters. Okay, so this is profile view or left hand side view image. So this is nothing but the exactly solution of this object, means conversion of this pictorial view, this isometric view, or which is called as three-dimensional view, into orthographics. Means orthographic means two-dimensional three number views. Means earlier it was three-dimensional view, three-dimensional pictorial view. We have converted into its front view image, its top view image, and its side image. Front view, top view, and side view. These are orthographic views are always two-dimensional views. Only two parameters are visible to us. In the direction of front view, only length and height is visible. Width should remain absent. Similarly, in top view, length and width will be visible. Height should remain absent. And in case of left hand side view, length should remain absent. Only width and height are visible parameters to the observer. Okay. So this completes the construction of or solution of this orthographic projection for this simple three-dimensional object. Masonry brick we can say, or a kind of eraser which is kept in your compass box.